How to use Google Maps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use Google Maps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, you head over to your app store and make sure you've downloaded the Google Maps application already. And once you've downloaded the Google Maps app, of course you're gonna see this type of interface here, right? Now the way to use it is pretty much simple. Like you use an Android and iPhone, doesn't really have that many difference. You just have to search for a destination that you want to go to and then just tap on directions. If you want to go ahead and find the respective directions for that place, over here you should be able to see the steps, the distance, the estimated time of arrival. If you go via this, then you can change it to a walking route, or you can change it to, let's say, a driving mode, or whatever else it is that you prefer over there. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then use Google Maps on iPhone. It's not really much of a different process. You just have to download the app from your app store and begin using it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.